Hey, this is Thaisa, Paparazzi Consultant 140517, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you all step by step how easy it is to upload your Facebook Live videos to YouTube. What I've learned while being in this business is that you have to be deliberate about your business. You have to market yourself. You have to promote and present your jewelry. You have to be motivated and excited about it, and you have to do it to the masses in order to succeed. So one way that we encourage, motivate, recommend, uh, push for consultants to do is to do Facebook Live videos or Facebook Live parties. So that is a very effective, convenient, simple, comfortable way to put yourself and your product out there to the masses. So we highly recommend, and you'll hear a lot of consultants talking about and sharing their videos and things like that. So I always share my Facebook Live videos to YouTube. So if you want to see any more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch. Follow me along my paparazzi journey. So we highly recommend that you do Facebook Live videos or Facebook Live parties. Selling the jewelry is not the hard part. That's not the hard part at all. Once you get the jewelry out in front of people, once you start wearing the jewelry, once people see how excited you are about the jewelry, then the jewelry sells itself. So that's not the hard part. The hard part is us getting ourselves out in front of the people and getting our product out in front of the people, because so many of us have a mindset that we're not salespeople, or we're not people, or I don't like the way I look on camera. Well, listen. It's Memorial Day weekend, Memorial Day Monday, and I'm kind of chilling in the house, relaxing. As you see, my hair is on top of my head in a bun. My favorite hairstyle. You all are probably going to get tired of seeing this bun, but I don't care. This is me. I'm sitting in sweats today and, just chilling at home, getting some work done. But once you get over the fear of how you look on camera and things like that, then everything else becomes easy. So highly recommend Facebook Live videos. And then once you finally step outside of your comfort zone and do your first Facebook Live video, first Facebook Live party, then your video is out there. So you might as well capitalize on that and share it across all of your social media platforms. And another platform that we highly recommend would be YouTube. So I share all of my videos, as I stated, on YouTube. So even if they're not present during the actual live, people get to see your replay. And I've received several sales just off of the replay. So definitely don't limit yourself. So give me 1 second. I'm going to flip the screen and I'm going to actually walk you through step by step how you can upload your Facebook Live video to YouTube. Okay, so this is my Facebook page, and I am going to pull up one of my Facebook Live videos. So wherever you would go on your page to find your video, whether it be your personal page or your business page, go to your videos or your live videos, wherever your videos are stored. So mine are actually, I have a couple of mine under videos. So I'm just going to select this video. Now there's different ways. You can click here and this will actually give you the link. Okay, we don't want the link, just the link, because if we took the link then we would have to put it in a video downloader and blah blah blah. So I'm going to actually go through the simplest way, the least amount of steps. So we're actually going to click on the video, and it's going to bring up the video. I am going to pause it. Okay. You can also right click So see my little mouse? You can right click and you can show the video URL and you can copy it. But again, that's the same as getting the link. You'll have to put it in a video downloader, download it to your desktop, and so on. So again, I'm going to go through the least amount of steps, the easiest way. So I'm going to come over here and click on these three dots. And if you click on those three dots, it will actually allow you to download the video to wherever on your computer you want to store it. So you can store it on your desktop just so you can easily retrieve it, or if you have a folder you put your videos in, you can do that. So this video is already saved, so I'm not going to save it again. But then what you would do, so then it's somewhere, let's say I saved it on my desktop, it would be on my desktop. I'm going to go to YouTube. My YouTube channel is already up. And I'm going to go right over here in the corner. So that would be your picture. And there's an upload link here. And then once it loads, you can click on select file to upload, and then you can grab that video from wherever you saved it. It should have saved it in an MP3 format. So if it's on your desktop, you would just grab it, you would open, and then the video would upload here. Okay, and then it'll go through the processing and all that stuff, and it'll allow you to edit and all that good stuff. And that is how you upload your Facebook Live video to YouTube. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you all so much again for watching my video. If you want to see more of my paparazzi journey, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, any concerns, you want to join, you want to shop, please visit me on my Facebook passion page, Bling Baby LLC. And all of the links will be in the comments. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.